To start with, they didn't look too bad, but then all the rust started crumbling and falling out of them, and that's when we realised it was a lot bigger restoration job than we first planned.
Very big, yeah. They're quite on a large scale, these ones are, yeah. One of the largest ones we've to restore, really.
The restoration like that, you're better off going back to the bare bones and then start again, and then that way you don't miss anything.
When we got them into the workshop and started taking them apart, we could see that a lot of the steel internals all started rusting away and just started crumbling. So, yeah, it was a lot more work, and we realised then we had a much larger restoration job on our hands. So basically we had to go along and puddle weld, fill those holes back in again, ready for it to be powder coated.
The original brackets had crumbled and rotted away, so we had to fabricate new brackets to go in there to add the rigidity back to the lanterns. They've all started distorting and were no longer the shape they should be, so yeah, there's a lot of knocks, dents, dings, so we just had to reshape a fair few of the panels.
We had to put them in a warm solution of cleaner to scrub off all the old lacquer and tarnish, ready for me to be able to hard polish and polish it all up. Hard polish them off with a Teflon wax first to get all the old tarnish off, and then hyphen it up, then to bring it back to its original finish. So we apply a lacquer to them, so then it seals in the copper finish for many years to come. Luckily, all the bevel glass panels remained intact, so it was really just giving them a good clean, ready to put them back in again.
Yeah, putting them back together was, it's very much the size of them, the weight of them. It's not a straightforward, easy job. But yeah, we got there in the end. I quite like all the fabricating that went into the new frames, but certainly the size of a lantern, that's definitely one of the biggest lanterns that I've done since being here.
Big job, but the way they come out, it makes them back to how they would have been originally many years ago. So it's great to see, and it'd be good to see them go back to the in situ where they originally were.